Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Here we have an example to NFA to DFA conversion. This is the diagram of NFA and we have to convert it into DFA. We will use subset construction algorithm for this purpose. For this, first of all, we have to see the epsilon layers, which are epsilon moves in this diagram. We will see the epsilon moves E layer, which is from the S node. Starting node will be the S node, and we will see the which are the epsilon moves from S node. Here is the 2, 4 as well from 5, 6. It is not an epsilon move because it is the A move. We will write 2, 4, 5 and 6 and it will be equal to A. The next move will be, and also we will construct an table input strings A, we will write it in mark, A, B, states, there we'll write states. Now we will find from this state to this which input symbol we will consume and what we will get. First of all, we will take input state A and consume the input symbol A. E layer move capital A from this to this, capital A to small a. We have this A and we have to consume A input string. 2 E layer and then 3 and then remaining will be 4, 5 and 6 as it is we will write it. Now we will detrans it. Detrans A to A and we will see it is a new existing state. So we'll name it with B. With the state A, from state A, by consuming small a, we will reach at B state. Same here for the A and B. E layer move A to B. Now you can see here is the values of A and we have to consume B. 2, we can't consume 3 because it is we can move it by consuming A and we have to consume B here. So we will not write 3, we will write 2, 4, 5 and 6. And you can see we have already this kind of state 2, 4, 5, 6 which is equals to A. So we will detrans it and we can see that it is an existing state which is called the A. So we'll name it with A and we'll write it here A. By consuming B from A to B, we will reach at A state. After completing the one table row, we will mark it and work for the next. The next is B. We will work for B. After from B to consuming A, we will reach at which state? We will find here E layer move capital B to A. You can see here is B and after consuming A, which state we will move? 2, 3 because by consuming A, 4 because of E layer, 5 because of E layer and 6 because of E layer. And you can see this is the existing state which is equals to B. So when we will detransit, we will write it is equals to B, and we will write here B. Now from B to after consuming B, the state will be eclair move B to small b. Here is the values of B, and we have to consume here small b, not A. So we will cut 3 from it. We will write 2, 4, 5, 6. You can see it is also an existing state, which is equals to A. So we'll detrans capital B with small b, and we will reach to A, and we'll write here A. After completing this state, we have no any other new state, so it will be our final state. If it is our final state, so our transition, this is our transition table, and our DFA will be like this. This is our starting state. By consuming A, we will reach at B, and by consuming B, we will reach at A. Here we'll use a self loop. From B to A, we'll use a self loop, and B to B, we will reach again at A, and B is the final state, so we will double circle it. Here is our example 1, and we'll solve another example of NFA to DFA conversion by using the same algorithm. We will first of all find eclayers. You can see S node, and you can see we have from the starting we have no eclayer. It is started with the A symbol, so we will leave it empty, and A will be an empty state. We will make an transition table also for this. Inputs you will see A, B and C. Remaining are cleared, so we will write here A, B, C, and from A we will start here, and then we will write A to A movement. First of all, we will find that eclayer move capital A to small a. We will reach at which points? By consuming A, we will reach at 2, then clear 3, then A4, then you can see 8, and also 2 to 5. We will write here 5. We can't write these states because here is a consuming of B and here is a C. So when we will detrans it A to A, you can see here will become a new state which will be B, and we will write after consuming small a, it will reach to the B point. Same for the eclayer move capital A to small b, and you can see capital A was empty, and from B we have to consume B. You can see A is empty, and from B we can't move directly to B because we must have to consume A here, so we'll leave it empty. Here is no any state to consume. Detrans A to B, it will become, you can see it is an existing state, so we will detrans it with A, and we will write here A. Now eclayer move capital A to C. You can see same as the previous, capital A to C, we can't move directly, we must have to consume A. We have to consume, must have to consume A from here, so we will also leave it empty. And you can see after D-trans, it will become the existing state, which is A, and we will write here A. Now mark it and work for the B. By using B, E-clear, move B to A. Now we have, this is the B and we have to consume A. By consuming A, 2, it will reach to 2, then 3, then 4, then 8, and also 2 from 5. Here will be 5. And you can see it is the existing state which is equals to B. So by D transit B to A, it will become an existing state which is the B. So we will write here the B. From B to B, we will write E clear, move B to small b, we will reach to 2, 3, 5, 6 and 2 from 8. We will not write here 4 because it we can reach here by consuming A. So it will become a new state and we will detrans capital to B, and it will become a new state which is called C, and we will write here C. Now E clear B to C, E clear, move B to C. Here is our B, here is our B, and we will consume C from here. Okay, so this is how we will solve the remaining question, and it is the transition table, and this is the conversion of final NFA to DFA. This is the DFA diagram. So here our assignment is ended. Thank you.